In this video, we will be unboxing the WeCool Moonwalk M4 truly wireless earbuds. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the product itself right in the middle. We can see the WeCool branding up top, and we can also see a logo and the sign saying Born to Game on the top right. At the bottom, we have the Moonwalk M4 true wireless branding. And on the left hand side, we can see a slogan that says, "Let the game begin." On the right hand side, we have the WeCool M4 Moonwalk branding as well. There's nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom. And on the back are where some of the key features and specifications are. Let's go through the specifications one by one. It has a connectivity of Bluetooth 5.1. It has a transmission range of 20 to 30 feet. It has a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It has a music playback time of 6 hours, a talk time of 6 hours. Battery capacity on each of the buds are 50 mAh. Battery capacity in the charging case is 400 mAh. It has a standby time of 120 hours. It has a charging time of about 1 hour, and it has an auto gaming mode. The features also include stereo audio base, A2DP technology, hands-free call function, lightweight secure fitting earbuds, and magnetic charging case. Underneath that, we have some details regarding the importer, and below that, we have some details about the customer care. On the bottom left, we have the contents of the box, which include the earbuds themselves, the charging case, extra ear tips in the small and large sizes, and a USB Type-C charging cable. On the bottom right, we can see that the product is BIS certified. That's about it on the outside of the box, so let's get into it now. Now that we have everything out of the box, let's see what we get. We get a thank you note from the brand. And on the back side, we have a QR code that helps you register for the warranty. But we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. We also have an instruction manual, and this should help you get started off with using the device. We also have a few extra ear tips in the large and small size, as we already know from the box. And we get this charging cable. The charging cable has a USB Type-A interface on one end and a USB Type-C interface on the other. The cable itself is approximately 10 inches long. Coming to the headphones themselves, we can see that they are quite nicely and flamboyantly designed. They have this WeCool branding on them, and they have a spear-like shape to them. Overall, they have a matte finish on the stem ends, and they have a glossy finish on the earbud ends. You can also see the magnetic charging points on each of the stems. Coming to the charging case, even this seems to be really flamboyantly designed in a very gamer-centric way. We can see the WeCool branding on the top, which is in a glossy finished enclosure, and around it, everything else is in matte black. We also have a couple of white highlighting right here, which, according to the box, should light up. Opening the box, we can see that it is not a spring-loaded box, so it can easily be shut. And this is how we can put the headphones inside. And as we can see, the lights do light up when you put the headphones inside. Even the earphones themselves have these LED lights, which make them quite attractive. So this has been the unboxing of the WeCool Moonwalk M4 truly wireless earbuds. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.